Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to use or how to set the different wallpaper for the lock screen and the home screen on this device. Now this is the home screen and this is the lock screen. Both the wallpaper are same. So let me show you how to set the different wallpaper on the lock screen and the home screen. Simply go to settings, tap on wallpaper. Now you can select any wallpaper from here, otherwise tap on add new wallpaper. Here you can see some collections of the wallpaper. You can select from here, otherwise you can select if you want to add the wallpaper from your device. Select the option photos. It will directly open your gallery. And from here you can select any wallpaper. So here I am going to select this one. Tap on add. Now you can see the options. Tap on customize home screen. Okay, now it is blur. If you don't want the blur, just disable this option. If you want to change the wallpaper from the home screen, tap on photos. So from here you can select any one. So here I am going to select this one. Tap on done. Tap on done. Now you can see this is for the lock screen and this is for the home screen. Let me show you how it works. Lock screen. This is for the home screen. Home screen, lock screen. So simply in this way we can set the different wallpaper for the lock screen and the home screen this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.